Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our sixth question. Check whether the minus 150 is a term of given AP, that is 11, 8 and 5, 2. So this is the given series. We have to find what is the common difference. We have to check the given series is in AP or not, that is arithmetic progression or not. So first one, let's going to find what is the common difference, and we're going to take the 150 as a n, that is last term, and if it is a n is a positive integer, then we can consider as minus 150 is a term of given AP series. So here an, let's going to write first one, an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. So what is a a1? This is, let's going to take a1, a2, a3 and a4. So a is nothing but a1. So this one we have to remember. So common difference is a2 minus a1. So a2 is equals to, what is that? 8 minus 11, that is minus 3. Then a3 minus a2, that is 5 minus 8, we will get it as minus 3. Yes. Then a4 minus a3, that is 2 minus 5 will be equal to minus 3. So here what you can say, ak plus 1 minus ak is, so this is the second term, this is first term, is same for all terms, So it is in AP, we know that is. Now we have to take what is the an term. So let an will be equal to minus 150. So what you can take it here, an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n should be positive integer, n will be positive integer. So we should not get any decimal numbers, then we cannot consider. If you will get any decimal numbers, fractional numbers, then we will not consider the minus 150 as a term in the given series. So minus 150, a is equals to, we know that is 11 plus n minus 1 into, what is the common difference? Minus 3. So minus 150 minus 11, that is equals to plus into minus 3 into n minus 1. So minus 151, 161, so that is the value, that is minus, so 161 minus 3 into n minus 1. So minus will going to cancel, then n minus 1 will be equal to 3 into n minus 1, 161, then n minus 1 will be equal to 161 by 3. So 161 by 3, 3 ones are, then 3 5s are 15. So what value we are getting here? 3 5s are 15, 1 will be, 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9, 2 will be, again point means 20, 3 6 are 18, again what value? 18, 2, again 3 6 are 18, 18 and so on. So what value we are getting? N minus 1 will be equal to, so 53.666 and so on. So we are getting that this is the value. So this is the value, n will be equal to 53.666 and so on, plus 1, what value will get? 54.6666 and so on. So n is not equal to, what is the value? N is not equal to positive integer. N is not equal to positive integer, then 150 is not a, or otherwise you can take n minus 1 will be equal to 161 by 3. That is, n will be equal to 161 by 3 plus 1. Already we are calculated, but we can do like this also, 164 by 3. So 3 ones are 10, 3 5s are 15, again 114, 3 4s are 12, again 2.6 are 6 are 6 are and so on. So n will be equal to, here also 54.666 and so on. So n is not is equals to positive integer, then what you can say, therefore minus 150 is not a term in the AP given series. So what is that? AP, that is 11 8 5 2. So this is the way to find the calculations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't get